Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Pussy Eater 69, and today I'm coming at you with another sick video. Today we're doing a Blender tutorial. Now, for those of you who don't know what Blender is, it's basically this free to download 3D modeling program where basically you can create 3D models of like dicks and titties and whatever the fuck you want. There's really no restrictions. So I thought I would give a tutorial about this since I am well adept in this field. I've been using Blender for I say about 4 days. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you wanna open Blender, right? And you wanna go to sculpting. And what that does, it gives you a ball, right? This is what we have. This is what we're working with. It's just a blank space and a ball. And our goal for today is to turn this ball into a human, right? Let's make a humanoid shape. Okay, first things first, you have these XYZ things in the corner. You can use those to rotate the ball. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this into a head, right? Okay, so let's see. We should have like some sort of a corner around here. Grab. Okay, we're gonna go on grab, and we're gonna grab. Okay, that's not doing anything. We're gonna go on thumb, and we're gonna thumb. No, okay. What you want to do is you want to go on the first one, draw, and we're gonna draw a eye, two eyes, right? This is the head of the. Those do not look like eyes. All right, we're gonna make them eyebrows. I changed my mind. We want to make the eyes under them. And to do that, we have to go to layer. You're gonna go to layer, and that's gonna do the exact same fucking thing as the other one. What? Is there a back button? How do I go back? Edit, undo. Right. You can go on top of the things here. Go on edit, and you undo your last action, which is what I just did. Oh boy. Okay. Let's get serious about this. Go to line project, and we're gonna have to line the fuck. Whoa! Holy shit! I just cut it in half. That's not what I was thinking. We're gonna undo that. We're gonna go on the last thing here, annotate, which basically allows us to draw the eyes. As you can oh, it okay. That's not what I wanted to do there. We also have on your right, you will see the options. It looks complex, right? It looks really confusing and complicated, but once you get used to it, it's really simple and really intuitive. Go on crease, and you make a little crease for the eyes, okay? A little tiny teeny bit, and boom. See that? Now that looks like an eye. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna make a nose. Before we make the mouth, we're gonna stretch his face a little bit and give him a little bit of a chin. Now we want to deform it, right? We're gonna grab elastic deform, and we're gonna stretch it, right? We're gonna stretch the whole face like that. Now we're gonna get the crease, and we're gonna make a mouth. I'm thinking we're gonna make him mad. He's not happy. He's very unhappy about his situation. So we're gonna make his mouth a bit of a grumpy little fella, you know? It kind of looks like Thanos in a way. You don't see it? It kind of looks like Thanos. I like it. Should we give him some ears too? Nah, fuck it. You know, he doesn't need no ears. We're just gonna give him some hair. Now, let's get on to the hard part. We're done sculpting the head. Now we're going to make the eyes. And in order to do that, we're gonna have to go on to nudge. Yeah, nudge. And we're gonna nudge the eyes. No? How the fuck do I draw stroke? Yeah, I'm about to have a stroke right now because I can't figure this shit out. Okay, where the fuck is the eye drawing thing? Are you kidding me? Woo! Now that we're done with the sculpting, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna select texture paint. Missing UV textures detected. What the fuck does that mean? What? We're gonna go on transform. We're gonna increase the head like this, so now it looks like a normal head. Fuck me, dude. What the hell? We're gonna go on shear, and that will allow us to. Holy shit! Actually, we're not gonna go on shear. We're gonna go on rip region, and we're gonna rip the whole Okay, I guess not. We're gonna go on bevel. Bevel allows you to yeah. We're gonna go on image editor. What the fuck happened? Never mind. We're gonna go on 3D viewpoint, which is where we were, and we're gonna go on UV editor. My bad. UV editor, which allows us to we're gonna actually go back to texture node editor. We're gonna this is the point where you wanna just go ahead and go back to 3D editor, and that's gonna we're gonna go on vertex paint, and now we can finally paint our character. I'm gonna say we're gonna choose a black color for the eyes. There you go. One eye and two eyes. Smear is one of the most useful tools because it allows you to do fucking jack shit apparently. So we're gonna draw his hair. His hair is gonna be fucking. There's gonna be green.
I got red, I got blue, what you want? The Chanel, Balenciaga, Louis and Vuitton. She know I got the Fendi.
Oh god, it fucking sucks. I am fucking ashamed that I brought this upon our world. Now we need to make a body. You're gonna go on viewpoint shading up here. This is actually a really important step in creating your own 3D model. I think my computer is about to explode. Once you're done, you go on File and you save, and after you're done saving, you can. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. This has been another episode of